How to delete Apple email alias on iPhone 17 or 17 Pro. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up Settings. From the Settings screen, tap on your Apple account. Then go down and tap on iCloud. Next, tap on Mail or tap on the CO button. Then go down and tap on iCloud Mail. In here, go down and tap on Addresses. Then tap on the email alias that you want to remove. Then tap on Delete. And then tap on Delete. And that's it. That's how you can remove Apple email alias on iPhone 17 or the 17 Pro. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.